Wow, look at that is one. Look at the big V. Look at that.
The V factor is pretty cool.
Yeah, I'll push you.
No, Charlie.
Just for a little bit. How about that?
Okay.
How about that?
Still the fire tumbles. She's going to be in a minute. She's cooking. Oh, there she goes.
Oh, look at that. Just fuel.
Whoa. You want to face the other way so you can see the
Yeah,
fire?
look at that. Just whipping up through the...
Look how big that shit is on film, man. There's the fire.
Yeah, I lost my frame of reference. And those boys standing aside. It blocks them out. When I was on the other side, I had you and Pam a little bit in the background.
That thing is huge.
Yeah.
Oh boy. There she goes.
Coming this way.
Man, it's got some energy now, doesn't it? You hot over